Hello and welcome in this YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you that how you can fix battery drain problem in POCO M2 Pro or any other device that are on MIUI 12. So let's get into this video. So first of all, you need to go to settings, then you need to click on you need to search here privacy. Okay, then you need to click on here, and as you can see here there is written here user experience program. Okay, so you need to disable user experience program, send diagnostic data automatically. You need to disable these two options, and add services should also be turned off. Sorry for my bad English. And after doing this, then you need to click on sounds and vibration, and then you need to scroll down, and then you need to go to additional settings and disable all these things. Okay, on the other hand, you need to go to settings and you need to search location and location access, and you need to disable the location. If you are not using the location based services frequently, then you can disable it. Okay, and in the advanced option you need to click on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanner, and you need to turn these two options off. After doing these things, your battery will surely boost up and you will get the best battery backup possible. So thank you for watching this video. We will meet you in the next one.